Welcome back to the Dr. Jonette channel. Today we are cooking homemade gnocchi with snow peas. You could use sugar pod peas in place of snow peas. Both have similar nutrition, and just depending on what you can find in the market or grow in your garden. So let's get cooking and make this recipe. For the neuronutrition nugget of this recipe, I want to talk about snow peas or sugar snap peas. They are different than regular green peas and actually have more nutrition in them because you eat the whole pea pod, which gives you a lot of extra fiber as well as some extra vitamins and even some trace minerals. So by eating the whole pod, you are improving the nutrition not just of your brain and your body, but also improving the nutrition and the health of the bacteria that are in your gut's microbiome. They need that extra fiber to stay healthy, and that lets them then provide for you some important things like neurotransmitters as well as things that are important for your immune function. So when you add snow peas or sugar pad peas to your diet, you are improving your gut's microbiome and thereby improving your immune function. In addition to that, they also have vitamin C, which is also good for your immune function and your immune system. So keep your immune system healthy and consider incorporating some sugar pod peas or snow peas into your diet on a regular basis. there you have it, a delicious dish of gnocchi with sugar pod or snow peas. Thank you for subscribing to my channel as well as liking this video. Please feel free to share it with someone that has some sugar snap peas that they grow in their garden. It's a delicious way to incorporate them into a meal. And go to my website at growwithdrjonette.com, where you will find lots more nutritional information, recipes, gardening tips, as well as information about how you can keep your body and your brain healthy to give you a long, healthy health span. See you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel. Thank you for watching.